I'm so happy I can speak. I just been to the dentist, and on my way home I was just passing here. I took an old road down the mountain here, and I was thinking I should stop and look at Ritlite. Well, here you see Ritlite. There are very parallel these rock walls, but you can also see from here how they also come from that direction. They kind of go down and continues up here. It's really amazing. There's a lot of birds here also. I was thinking if there might be vultures, because there are vultures here in Vratsa. Maybe I can go and touch Ritlite from this side. Wow, look at this wall. These millions and millions of years old. Wow, they are so impressive. And I'm touching it. Yeah. Wow, these impressive walls here. Wonder where I get if I get along. It starts to rain. Yeah, we'll follow this ridge and see what's behind, I mean further up, because I know they are several hundred meters long also. Well, one reason I am curious to come up here is because I'm thinking maybe, you know, these incredibly high walls, they might get lower and lower, so I might have the possibility, I don't know yet, to climb up and actually go on top of these Ritlite rocks. That would be something. Wow. And thank God my tooth is not hurting, because I had they killed one of my tooth and did filled up the roots. It's not yet anyway, and this was so unplanned. I haven't brought any water, anything here, painkillers or anything, in case it will start, but I don't think so. This was so improvised. Well, like many things I do. Oh, look at this! How beautiful! I just improvise so many times, but at least I used to take some little water with me. But I love these unexpected adventures. I was driving home from a dentist appointment, and suddenly I'm out in the bush trying to find the top of Ritlite. Oh my God, look at this again. A seashell up in the mountains of Vratsa. This is the second one. Oh my God, look here. I think there's another one over there. Yeah, look here. My goodness. 2 of these that you normally just find in the sea. I have never ever found anything like this in this region. What does that mean? That makes me so curious. Oh, huh. I put them in my pocket. Or has this maybe is it an old seabed? Well, I could be wrong, but I really got the feeling that the up there could be the end, but it's getting steeper and steeper. Oh, no, the soil is just disappearing out of my feet. Oh God, I can see I am so high up here now. I have really climbed. The rock is not so high anymore. It is getting lower and lower, it seems, at least. How far does this go? Oh, I'm sorry for all the sounds, but it's... Whew. I get a bit tired, and you know, after my dentist, when I came out from the dentist, it was quite heavy, this anesthetic, so I was quite dizzy, and yeah, and of course I guess I'm a little bit affected from that, but it's also such a moist weather. Wow, look at this here now. And when it's moist, and when you climb it's heavier to breathe. So wow, listen to those birds. Wow. Okay, a little rest. Oh, I didn't bring any water. Oh, start to feel that now. It would be nice with some water. So steep and slippery here. Oh, God. Oh. And it's starting to really rain now. It is so steep here. But I can't give up now. Oh, look. I have reached the end. Oh. Yes! Yes! Oh! This is the top of Ritlite. Oh my God! Look! Look at this! Look here! This is so amazing! And the mountains here, they're just amazing. To come to the top. I didn't dare to go up on the other way because it was just so steep. This is extremely steep also. It's really, rock climbing here, but at least, and on top of that slippery, and with all these slippery leaves. But I think I might be able to do it, but I will need both of my hands. Yeah, so I will try to climb up here on all this slippery rock and the wet leaves and everything. But I'm here. I just can't miss this chance. I have to do it. I managed to climb up there. I am on top of Ritlite. Oh my God, what a victory! And I'm soaking wet. Look at me, I'm absolutely wet here. All my clothes, everything. Oh wow, oh no, it stopped raining, but now, oh God, now comes the heavy rain. It's really heavy rain coming toward me here. Oh no, come on. Well, the bigger the achievement then. I'm on Ritlite in heavy rain. Well, yes, it will be a hard way down now. God, it will be slippery. And I stood up also here. And of course, for me, it would be so much easier to climb down there, that way. But then I have a very steep mountain wall on this side, so I don't know if I dare to do that. Yeah, it would be so much easier than to climb up from down there where I came up. So I'm standing up on top of Ritlite. As you can see, I'm very proud of this achievement, especially since I'm so unprepared. I don't even have a bottle of water with me. So I'm actually even walking here on the ridge. Oh, there. Yes. Ooh, God, this is scary. Oh, oh my God. Yes. Oh my God, this is so much fun. This is the kind of adventures I love. You could almost say here starts the Iskar Gorge. That is this amazing mountain rock formations there. You see, there are, in the mountains, there are tunnels. I mean, I'm going hopefully back on that road. I hope I managed to get down safely here now. So, yes. Yeah, it's amazing, Iskar Gorge. For me it seems like here is where the Gorge really starts. This Iskar Gorge. Oh, I just love these mountains, it's just so amazing. Mountains over there, I live there. More or less, no, I can't actually see from my house this because I'm facing another side, but it's like somewhere over there in those mountains I live. This might be an exciting guiding tour I can make for tourists to get up on the top of Ritlite. Oh, look here. Well, I can't come up here without touching this rock here. Oh, yes, I have touched this. Also this rock. Yes. Yes, wow, this is one of the... And it goes there and it seems like it goes a bit down and then it goes up again on that top there. I'm actually thinking of also climb up on this rock here. You know, while I'm here, I might never do this again. And oh God, look! I keep finding this. Oh my God, there's so many of them up here. Look here. It's just full of them. There. This has to have something to do with this was the sea bottom before. Which way should I take? Oh, these are loose rocks. Oh. These are very loose rocks here. Do I have anything to grab onto? Yes, I do. Oh, oh, this is just sand here. It's far down there. Oh, hey. Oh my God. Oh, please, please, please don't slide on me. All these loose rocks here. Oh. It's very, very loose here. Everything. You see how easy it glides? Oh. I think it's better if I go around. Oops. Quite steep on this side here also. Oh yeah, but I'm getting up here. And look. It's obvious someone saved those bottles there for a reason. It could be shepherds that go up with their sheep. Oh my God. Oh God, it was a... Look at this. Oh. I don't want to fall down in that hole. I mean that hole... Oh! Jesus Christ. Oh! Oh! Ah! Got stuck in my hair. I reached almost this top here also with only one hand filming with my camera. Oh, oh yeah. I reached this top here also. I reached this top also. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, there you can see how they continue there. This is you can't see that from the road. Maybe, of course, that one up there, but down there it continues. Oh, hey, oh. So when you to improvise and do something impulsive, then it's when you get the best experiences. God, Vratsa region, Vratsa, Iskargorge is just so fantastic. But I'm a little thirsty. Oh wow, this is fantastic. The sun is coming out shining on me. Oh God, how wonderful is this? This is absolutely like a dream. I feel like I'm in Avatar land. If you have seen the movie Avatar, this feels like an Avatar landscape here. If you haven't seen that movie, you must see it. I love that movie. Oh God, so amazing. This makes me happy. These kind of experiences. This is just amazing. Spending time on top, reaching these ridges here, and then the sun comes out. This is one of Bulgaria's most famous landmarks, and it's millions of years. Well, I'm quite sure this was a seabed because I have my pocket full of these shells. It's just so many of them. But I'm so amazed, how is it possible? If this was a seabed for millions of years, how are they so well preserved? That's quite astonishing. I must read about it. It's hard for me to find I didn't remember where did I get up from. So, well, I found it now. And now comes the tricky part to, it's actually harder to go down than up. This is some kind of wall here. Look here. This is like a real fairy tale forest. I think I will go, wow, look at this tree. Away from the cliff, and I think it might not, maybe not so steep. And look here, here continues the wall. That ancient wall there. Look at this old tree. Yeah, here we can see the wall there, continues over there. Well, it is definitely somehow harder to get down, but I'm having help from these trees here. Yeah, I think I might be, I don't know, halfway down. Oh, look how beautiful the rock is here. Yes, I think I've come down from the worst part. I think, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's definitely not so steep anymore, thank God. But I shouldn't let my guard down anyway. Wow, I think I can see the ruin, the where I started this adventure. Quite amazing ruin here, just at the foot of Ritlite karst. Well, I'm back in my car, completely soaked again. Started to rain again, but thank God I'm prepared. I'm always prepared for for adventures. I have a sleeping bag here. I have a change of clothes. I have other shoes. Yeah, always prepared for adventure. And yeah, what an adventure! I'm so happy. And yeah, here I also have, since I didn't bring anything, I can drink something now. I'm really thirsty. Thank God for life. Thank God for everything. Thank God. I'm so grateful I can do these things. That I have, I mean, my arms and my legs and this spirit to do these things, because it really, really enriches my life. There's always an adventure somewhere around the corner waiting. Just have to look out for them. Or create them also. Yeah, you are the creator of your own life. I've heard that somewhere and I really believe that. You are the creator of your own life. I really think I need a change here. So I have a nice clean pants on me now and some dry shoes. However, the adventure isn't really over yet, because I also would like to go and have a look at and film and show you the Ritlite locks from below, where you come to this is the part where it's the more, for the tourists to come and have a look at Ritlite. It's right by the Iska river here. It's a very Bulgarian style here with the colors red, green and white. This part of Ritlite is of course much easier to reach than the part above where I went. It's so close to the road. Yeah, so look at this. And well, of course I was not here because this continues, and I've driven now up the road, so I was probably higher up there somewhere, because they are several hundred meters long. You know how good it feels to know I've been on top of this of these rocks. I can hardly believe it. The Iska river, and then we turn around and we see this. Wow. And look in between here, the train goes through these rocks. There's a train tunnel here. Well, if you continue this road here, higher up there is like a landmark also with a memorial from the war. You have to go up there and cross the train, the railway. So I drove over the river. Look at this. Here you can really appreciate the in between here and how high they are and how vertical they are. It's just amazing. Isn't it beautiful here? The Ritlite rocks and the Iska river and all the lush greenness that is here. That's why I love this part of Bulgaria, because it's so green. You know, when I was traveling in the south, closer to the sea, it was so dry and flat. I mean, not everywhere, but a lot of area down there was, for me, boring. You can't do any adventures in a flat, dry landscape. Just fields and fields and fields. It has to be the mountains. There's so much more adventures in the mountains. At least I believe so. So much to explore. Yeah. This was what a day.